Made by hand. We did that for at least 800 years. In those days, we used a knife like this to do the outside shape. We used several sizes of spoons, komt er allemaal uit de wind. By hand was difficult even for a skilled shoemaker. It could take 3 hours to make just one pair of shoes. Well, I don't have the time for that or the skill. So instead I used 2 machines in the the first machine creates the outside shape. This is the basic model. The method, this method, you need to compare how you would do like so this is a single copy lathe. In the real factory we have a double copy lathe for the left and right shoe. It should take at least a minute. This is the rough outside shape. But for the inside, I use a different machine. This is a spoon drill. The drill is also directed by a model. Yeah. This is the rough inside shape. The heel and toe are done the traditional way by hand, the old-fashioned way. Something like this. Now more than half of the weight is water. I'll try to show you. It's not mine. It's water from the tree. So we let it dry slowly 3 to 4 weeks. And then polish it on the sandpaper belt. The result is very light and tough for the shoe for a child of 4 years old. It's kind of big, but the shoes are indeed bigger than normal shoes. They are officially approved safety shoes. Very strong, hold 750 kilograms. You can